So in this RBC Mobile app tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for a cashback credit card on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, what I want you to do is to go to the top, go to the top here under Accounts Overview, press on Open an Account, or go to the bottom right and press on More, then slide down to where it says Products, and then press on Open an Account. Once you're here, scroll down towards this credit cards right here and then press on that. And if you specifically want to open up a credit card that offers the cashback option, at the top here where it says popular, travel, rewards, etc., I want you to press on cashback. And what you'll be seeing here is a whole bunch of different credit cards that are offered that are cashback. So you could sign up for the RBC Cashback Preferred White Elite MasterCard. There's also the RBC Cashback MasterCard as two kind of cashback options for you. So there are also some offers available potentially as well. So make sure you guys check that out. And if you want to go ahead with one card or the other, or just view more details about the card, press on View Card right here. You can check out the annual fee, the interest rates, etc. You can also see the card highlights, the rewards and benefits, as well as some more stuff this way. So if all looks good for that, you can apply. You can also scroll down to this one right here, kind of see how it compares and contrasts and how it's different, what the highlights are, what the cashbacks are, etc. And then you can press on Apply Now and then follow it or follow the steps that way for your application. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to sign up for a cashback credit card on the RBC Mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.